You shower every day, use deodorant, and still feel like you might be giving off a bad smell? You're not alone. Many people follow a daily hygiene routine, but unknowingly make small mistakes. Mistakes that could actually be the reason they still smell. Body odor isn't always about being dirty. Often it's about how you clean. In this video, we'll go over 7 common hygiene mistakes most people make without realizing it, and more importantly, how to fix them easily. From body parts we tend to forget to products that might be making things worse. These tips will help you feel fresher, more confident, and more comfortable in your own skin. This isn't about embarrassment, it's about awareness and practical solutions based on healthy habits and expert advice. So if you've ever noticed an unpleasant odor after a normal day, or just want to improve your personal hygiene, stay until the end. Each one of these points could make a real difference. Let's start with mistake number 1, one that almost everyone makes at least once. One of the most common mistakes is not washing your armpits properly. Many people just rinse with water or use body wash without actually scrubbing. But armpits contain glands that produce sweat rich in proteins, perfect food for odor-causing bacteria. If you don't clean them well, these bacteria break down the sweat and create a strong, unpleasant smell. Simply passing your hand over them isn't enough. You need to use your fingers or a soft washcloth, apply antibacterial soap, and gently massage the area for a few seconds. It's also crucial to dry your armpits completely after showering, because moisture allows bacteria to keep multiplying. A clean cotton towel and thorough drying can make a big difference. If you use deodorant, apply it only on fully dry skin. Putting it on damp skin can trap bacteria and actually worsen the odor. Also, avoid using too much product. A little goes a long way. Switching to a natural deodorant with ingredients like baking soda or zinc may also help control odor without blocking sweat glands too much. The key is consistency. Wash, dry, and protect every single day. This simple habit can drastically reduce underarm odor and boost your confidence throughout the day. 2. Another frequent mistake is neglecting your feet. Even though many people shower daily, they often skip cleaning between their toes or fail to dry their feet properly. Feet have thousands of sweat glands, and when trapped in shoes all day, they create a warm, moist environment, ideal for bacteria and fungi to grow. This doesn't just cause bad odor, it can also lead to infections like athlete's foot. To prevent this, wash your feet every day with soap, paying close attention to the spaces between your toes. Use a soft pumice stone or brush to remove dead skin, which can harbor bacteria. After bathing, dry your feet completely, especially between the toes, before putting on socks. Never wear damp socks or reuse the same pair 2 days in a row. Choose breathable materials like cotton or moisture-wicking fabrics. It also helps to rotate your shoes. Letting each pair air out for at least a day prevents odor buildup. If you notice persistent smells, try soaking your feet in warm water with a little apple cider vinegar or a few drops of tea tree oil. Both are natural and have antimicrobial properties. Using absorbent insoles or foot powders can also keep your feet fresh. Avoid wearing closed shoes all the time. Let your feet breathe when you're at home. With these simple habits, you'll reduce foot odor and keep your feet healthier. 3. Many people forget to change their underwear regularly, or worse, reuse it thinking it's not dirty. But even after just a few hours, your underwear collects sweat, natural secretions, and bacteria, even if you can't see or smell it. Wearing the same pair for multiple days creates a breeding ground for bacteria, leading to bad odors and possible skin irritation or infections. The rule is simple. Underwear should be changed every single day, no exceptions. And it's not just about changing, it must be washed properly with detergent and thoroughly rinsed. Leftover soap residue can cause odor or skin reactions, especially in sensitive areas. Wash underwear on an appropriate cycle and avoid mixing it with heavily soiled clothes. Drying it in direct sunlight is ideal, as UV rays help kill germs. If you live in a humid climate, make sure it dries completely before storing. Don't keep clean underwear in dark, damp places like unventilated bathrooms. Always choose cotton over synthetic fabrics when possible. They allow better airflow and reduce moisture buildup. Change into fresh underwear after exercising or sweating heavily. These small steps don't just prevent bad smells, they also lower the risk of urinary infections or fungal issues. Your intimate hygiene starts with what you wear. Pay attention to these details and you'll feel cleaner and fresher from the inside out. 4. A mistake nearly everyone makes is not changing their towel often enough. Many people use the same bath towel for several days or even weeks without realizing it becomes a breeding ground for bacteria. When you step out of the shower, your skin still has moisture and natural microbes. As you dry off, the towel absorbs that moisture along with dead skin cells and germs. If it stays damp or isn't washed soon, bacteria multiply quickly, especially in humid bathrooms. When you use it again, you're reapplying those germs to your skin, which can cause body odor, acne, or irritation. The fix is simple. Use your towel only once before washing it, or at least hang it in a well-ventilated area to dry completely between uses. Hang it in sunlight if possible. UV light helps kill bacteria. Wash towels at least every 2 days using hot water and detergent. If you notice a sour or musty smell, add a cup of white vinegar to the rinse cycle to eliminate lingering microbes. It's also smart to have multiple towels so you can rotate them. Towels made from microfiber or bamboo dry faster and resist bacteria better than traditional cotton. Remember, a clean towel is just as important as the soap you use. This small change can greatly improve both your scent and skin health. 5. Washing your hair every day might seem like a good idea, but it can actually backfire. Your scalp produces sebum, a natural oil that keeps hair moisturized. Washing too frequently strips this oil away, causing your scalp to overproduce sebum in response, making your hair greasy faster and potentially developing a stale, oily odor. On the other hand, washing too infrequently allows sweat, dead skin, and product buildup to accumulate, feeding odor-causing bacteria. Balance is key. Most people only need to shampoo every 2 to 3 days. Use a gentle formula and rinse thoroughly, especially at the nape of your neck and behind your ears, areas where odor often builds up. Massage your scalp with your fingertips to lift dirt and oil. If you sweat a lot, rinsing with water alone, no shampoo, can help. Always dry your hair well after washing. Damp hair left wet for hours creates a moist environment on your scalp, which encourages fungal growth and unpleasant smells. Never sleep with wet hair. Also, regularly wash your hats, pillowcases, and combs. They collect oil and bacteria too. With a balanced routine, your hair will look healthier and stay fresher longer. 6. Another silent cause of body odor is not cleaning your nails properly. Long or poorly trimmed nails can trap dirt, food particles, and bacteria, especially under the fingernails. Even if you wash your hands, if you don't clean under the nails, that hidden space remains a safe zone for microbes. These can then transfer to your face, mouth, or food, spreading unwanted odors. The same applies to toenails, where dark, sweaty shoes create a perfect environment for fungi that produce foul smells. The solution is simple. Trim your nails regularly and keep them short and clean. Use a small nail brush or orange stick to gently scrub underneath with warm water and soap. Do this every time you wash your hands. For toenails, pay extra attention during weekly showers. If you wear nail polish, remove it occasionally to let your nails breathe. Avoid biting your nails. Your mouth contains bacteria, and this habit can lead to infections. Keeping nails clean improves not just hygiene but also personal appearance. It's a small habit with a big impact. Spend just a few seconds daily on this, and you'll reduce unnecessary odors and support better overall health. 7. The final and often overlooked mistake is failing to clean personal items you use every day. Things like toothbrushes, combs, phones, headphones, backpacks, or gym bags silently collect bacteria, sweat, and grease over time. For example, your toothbrush can become a home for microbes, especially if stored in a damp cup. Replace it every 3 months and rinse it well after each use. Headphones and phones press against your ears and face, transferring bacteria that can cause odor and breakouts. Clean them weekly with a soft alcohol wipe or disinfecting cloth. Backpacks or gym bags that hold sweaty clothes develop stubborn smells. Remove used clothing immediately and air out the bag. Wash the inside regularly or use removable liners. Hats and caps also absorb sweat and dust. Store them clean and let them breathe. These items are in constant contact with your body, so their cleanliness is part of your hygiene. Ignoring them can undo even the best self-care routine. Check your belongings weekly. A little maintenance prevents odors, skin issues, and infections. In the end, smelling good isn't just about you, it's about everything you touch. And there you have it. 7 common hygiene mistakes that could be secretly causing body odor, plus simple, practical ways to fix them. These small changes might feel minor, but over time, they can make a big difference in how you feel and how you show up in the world. Remember, we're all human, and we've all made these mistakes at some point. The important thing is learning, improving, and treating ourselves with kindness along the way. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed any of these habits in your own routine? Did one tip surprise you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. I read every single message and always do my best to reply. I'm here to support you and build a real connection with this community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. I'm committed to bringing you honest, science-backed, and easy-to-follow advice on health, hygiene, and feeling your best, because everyone deserves to feel confident and fresh every day. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself, inside and out.